Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your schedule changes or you want more control over your training, you can set how many runs you do each week inside Runna. This helps the app build a plan that fits your routine and recovery needs. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to set weekly runs in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what setting weekly runs means. So setting weekly runs allows you to choose how many days you train each week, match your plan to your real schedule, control recovery time, adjust training intensity. So Runner rebuilds your plan around your chosen run days. Okay, so first thing first, open the Runner app and look into your account. Make sure your training plan is active. Okay, so now tap your training plan. Okay, open settings or plan, settings or manage plan. Okay, this is where you adjust your schedule. So find runs per week. Okay, and tap the options. Okay, and then select your preferred number of runs, 3, 4, or 5 days. Choose a number that fits your lifestyle. Choose your run days, so select the days you want to run, and then confirm your selection. Spread runs across the week for better recovery, and then you can tap save. So tap save on confirm, wait for the plan to update. Your weekly schedule is adjust. Workouts are redistributed, okay, automatically. Future sessions will follow the new schedule. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.